Hi guys, I have a very lovely problem for you all to solve. What is 5 minus 5 times 2 plus 11? And the answer choice should be in factorial. This is not an exclamation mark. This is called as factorial. 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial or 3 factorial. So let us solve this. First of all, if you're using BODMAS or PEMDAS, the precedence goes to multiplication. So let's do 5 times 2, which is equal to 10. And we have 5 minus 10 plus 11. Now when you have addition and subtraction, you give the precedence from left to right. So 5 minus 10 is negative 5 plus 11. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Now let's check which answer is 6. Nowhere. The answer is given in factorial. 0 factorial is 1. 1 factorial is 1. 2 factorial is 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 6. And this matches with our answer 6 here. So that's your answer choice D, 3 factorial. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.